How about it? Supatrack. We know Supatrack.
That's off. We do that.
Oh, got the black cherry.
Orders on this? Want to be ordered on this, Chris? You don't, you are. You don't do your orders? Could I go?
Oh, I don't know, no.
I do when the JPM's ordered. Oh, the Belgium's not way too far away. I do not know where the JPMs are. We'll go down. Do it anyway.
Another pound. Got hold. Just need any other number. Alright, I'll get us there. Hold them all, correct any accidents. So what we want is the coin cash track feature or nudge on and on. There's nothing there. Lose. Not a good sign, is it? Ah yes, it's looked at sevens that plays that pot, isn't it? Watch another high ending.
Hold again.
Shuffle. That's real for MPS2 there. You never know. Should we hold all the numbers? Hold that. Nudge on and on again. Oh, of course that's going to nudge in the temple win. Should have rushed that one in last. Let's have another pound. Ah, I see that pays 50 bucks. Well, not bad.
Have a squeeze through, please, Chris, mate.
Win window in the scandal. Fast track.
One, two, three, four. Up the cap off. Give all four. We get four. My second visit to this place, yeah, awesome. And the guy next to me is his space physic. It's Chris. Tell me why, yeah. And we're both doing videos, obviously. Probably like half of us in you.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Here we go. Oh, we've got 9. What we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open up that.
Oranges. What we got left in here? Let's have another pound, why not? Hold 2.
I think it's too far away. You go up.
So we need 2. Yeah, of course. Go for the outside.
Got bells.
Looking for a shuffle. Oh, quite a bit nice, wasn't it?
And that is 100 credits. Sorry. I'm running over that. 100 credits on. Let's double up the last.
Last pound, I think.
Good.
Take a bit of that. That's all right. Ooh, super old. Wow, it only steps 2. I've never seen you do that before. Nudge on and on. Repeat. Want to get? Not bad. What 50 PM? Just see if it repeats. Actually, 10 pence to do. Indeed. Oh. There's no way, right? So that 7's there, which means we're a mile away. So... Again? Oh! Oh! Here we have a go. Oh, we got it. Oh yeah. Oh, we got it. The all cash jackpot. There we go, that's how it's done. That is how it's done. Excellent. Put those coins in our pocket. Nice. Well, that was a bit of Supatrack with a pretty damn big nudge streak at the end there. Quite enjoyed that. As you know, 1988 I believe for Supatrack, 1987. Too far in the way, well. There we go.